Welcome to Tisha's Home Cooking. Welcome everyone. If today's your first time here, you are most welcome. This is a channel where we learn to make very simple meals. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out, and please give us a thumbs up and hit on that notification button. So guys, please go and subscribe if you haven't done so. Now today I'm going to show you a very quick video, guys. What do you actually do with your pineapple skin? You know, pineapple is enjoyed by most people, so I'm going to show you today some of the benefits of the pineapple skin and what you do with it. Do you throw them away? Now after this video, you will never throw your pineapple skin away, so you can actually enjoy it as much as you enjoy the fruit itself. Okay, so guys, let me just let you know that the pineapple skin is actually rich in vitamin C, and it's also rich in manganese. If you don't know, it will help with, inflammation. So guys, don't throw away your pineapple skin, make use of it. What do? When I normally buy my pineapple, I leave it out for maybe a day or two so that it takes its time to ripen and the fruit itself becomes sweet. So hence you see the color like this. It's kind of ripened and now it's ready to be enjoyed. But what I'm going to do, as much as to enjoy it, I'm also going to use the skin to make a juice. So what I do is I have this pineapple here, and I also use one medium-sized lemon. Then I've also got some ginger here. Okay, so I'll probably use about half of this ginger. So first of all, we need to peel the pineapple. So I'm going to kind of chop this into smaller bits. And as you can see, I've got a pot here. So this is all going to go in the pot. Okay, then I have my lemon here. So I'm going to slice my lemons and add it to the pot. So that goes in. Then I'm going to use about nearly half of this ginger. Okay, so what I do is I don't actually need to peel the ginger. Okay, you can peel it if you want, but what I'm going to do, because I'm going to boil everything, there is no need to actually peel the ginger. But for me to be able to get all the juice from the ginger, I'm going to kind of grate it with a small grater. Okay, so into little bits, so that I will get the most juice from it when I kind of brew my pineapple skin. You can decide to slice this ginger if you prefer, or chop them up into small bits. But for me to get the most out of it, I grate it, as you can see. Okay. This is what we have. Then guys, the next thing I add is kind of half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now turmeric has got its own medicinal benefits as well. So I'm going to add about maybe half a teaspoon. Then I've got about 1 liter of water. Then I can see I need a bit more. It's now going to be transferred to the fire on a very low heat and allow it to boil for about 30 minutes, or allow it to brew for about 30 minutes. It doesn't need to have so much if I need to turn it down, cover it, and we leave it to boil. Once again, let me show you. This is what we have in the pot. So you have all the pineapple skin, you have the lemon, and then you have the ginger in it, and you have the turmeric. The rest of the pineapple is going in this bag, and it goes into the fridge to be enjoyed later on, and we shall come back to the juice after it's brewed for about 30 minutes. The reason it's 30 minutes is because you're doing it on a very low heat, so it's taking its time to actually boil or brew, and then you get the juice and all the benefits from the pineapple skin. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Okay, so this was brewed for about 30 minutes on a low heat, and then what you need to do once it's finished brewing is to then turn your fire off and allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see, this is what we have. Then the next thing to do is to drain it. Okay, so you get a bowl and you drain it so that you can get the juice. And this is full of richness. Now what I do is, before I throw the skin or everything away, I kind of brew it again for the second time. Okay, so I brew it again for the second time, and then I make another juice out of it, and then I throw it away.